What's up, everybody? This video is going to be pretty quick. I just got one little minor thing I want to do to the truck, and I'll show you guys what that is coming up right here in a second. Man, truck's dirty. I need to go give it another bath. Gave it a bath yesterday, but then it rained this morning and last night. So what I'm going to be doing right here, you can see the antenna on my truck. It's a little bent, long factory antenna on here, but with it being bent up like this, I've been wanting to replace it for a little while. Should be a simple job. So I'm gonna unscrew the old antenna. I'll screw the new one in place. A couple things I'm gonna have to do before I can put the new one in place. I'll show you what antenna I'm going to be using here in just a second. Let me get this off here real quick. A little more difficult with one hand, but it comes off. Alright, there's the old antenna on the ground there. This is what I'm going to be replacing it with. Right here. You got the 50 cal shorty antenna. I'm going to be putting this on there. This one I ended up getting from Enthusiast on their website, because of course, who wouldn't want to win a giveaway vehicle truck? And they currently have a 3500 dually GMC with a camper that they're giving away, so of course I entered that. And it came with these adapters. I got to find the right adapter that fits my truck and the antenna and put that on first. So I think I found the right adapter here. It's got the coarse thread on one side, fine thread on the other to go in the antenna. The antenna did come with some of these little black spacers if we need them. We can put them on here. I'm going to start just putting this little adapter in here. Looks like I need to try to tighten this up also. We'll get this adapter in here and see how the antenna looks when we get it screwed on. Pretty simple thing, just screw it on. Good. Get it as tight as I can by hand, and that should do it. I don't know about you, but I think that looks a lot better. Yeah, got that little stubby 50 cal antenna right there. Looks pretty good. Of course, like I said, this one was from Enthusiast website. I purchased it with my own money. It's not sponsored or anything by them, and I did purchase it because I was trying to enter the giveaway, so we'll see what happens there. Wish me luck, everybody. If I win, of course, I will make a video about what I win and I will publish it on this channel. Man, I think that looks pretty good. Also, one of my buddies had an actual 50 cal bullet, and we put this side by side with this one. I'll show you a cutaway of it right here in a minute. What this one looks like next to an actual 50 cal bullet. It does look almost identical to it. You know, obviously the color is a little different because you got brass casing versus this black one. I just really like the way this looks on the truck. Kind of makes it look nice. So this was the thing I'm talking about. This whole thing is a little bit loose. I think the only way to tighten that up though is I'm gonna have to actually pull out the inner fender inside here so I can reach up there and get to it. There's probably a couple bolts or something to hold that in place, but I'll deal with that later. New antenna, old antenna. What do you think? Which do you guys prefer? Tell me below. So I know that's a pretty short video. In fact, I probably drug it out longer than what it needed to be. Just changing that antenna is pretty quick. You could probably do it in less than 2 minutes. I do have a bunch of extra adapters that came with the new antenna. Don't know what I'm going to do with those, but I'll probably go in a drawer somewhere and then I'll forget about them. And a couple years from now I'll be like, what did these go to? But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. I appreciate it if you would comment, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from my channel. But let me know, do you guys like the 50 cal bullet antenna, or do you prefer a factory style antenna? You know,